looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family? Then take a look at this 2023 Dodge Hornet GT Plus Track Pack in Cube Olive. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, dual mode suspension, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 10.25-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7415.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.